How did you feel about it being a month-long workshop rather than a week or rather than 3 days?
I only booked 2 weeks in the beginning, but I could not leave.
You did the thing, you approached, you came in, she was into you, you got a number, you got a date plan, congratulations. We don't want just health, we want super health, right? You can go to any other approach school to get health. This is super health. This is feeling that you belong here in life, right? Because then whether it's approaching a girl or approaching a job or approaching anything, you belong. You belong. This is about coming home.
If it was possible, I'd even do like 2 or 3 months.
Baby, are you gone now? Am I on my own now?
Settle into your fear so you can embody a great affirmation.
Tell me I'm supposed to.
And when we feel that everything is okay,
moments are better than promises.
suddenly it becomes okay.
Back, turn back the hands of time, turn it back and make it change your mind.
It was just like a concept, okay, it's about meditation, non-duality, being connected without needing her perfect response. Now I really experience what is meant by it. Like you can have these concepts, these ideas, yeah, I understand it, non-duality, what it means, oneness and stuff, but if you don't feel it, it doesn't mean anything. I really felt like that's it, that's where I want to be.
I kind of like the months long because you can really start to do some long-term work, you know.
It's really important you guys really know that you're truly here for you. And being here for you includes meeting and connecting with people. But if you can walk the streets in the way that's like, wow, I'm completely here for me. Coach's role is to help guide you to your ultimate or your maximum independence. Your maximum independence.
It's also really a process for me of being a little bit like less result oriented, to really kind of make peace with that.
1 month is the perfect time right now for me.
And something way more important is going on.
It's not working at the surface level. There's something much deeper going on. Continuous exposure. That month, I think, it's not even that it's good, it's that it's necessary. Not just girls, but you're walking down the street and the old woman selling hats or the guy behind the counter at the shop, whatever it is.
So you already have the sense that there's someone that you are, but it's been clouded or shrouded, and you have to kind of like dig into this process of becoming to getting back to who you really are.
And it's about settling down. Settling down. Down. Yes.
The one thing I found through the years of doing seduction approaching myself, it's so hard to make a lasting thing, and it just takes time to do that.
Andrew's whole approach to meeting girls, but to life in general, is really quite something. It's really very unique. Speaking to people at a much deeper level than a superficial back and forth. The benefit of having a month long was to be able to really get into that kind of behavior and to see where it's coming from. The whole philosophy of the non-duality is very deep.
In general, I would always say, yeah, you want to do the longest thing you can, and a month, definitely.
To be able to really work on the deepest aspects of yourself that you need to work on. You can't really put a price on that.
Because I really believe that that's one of the most important and valuable things will happen.